Hello everyone. Welcome to the virtual class of Corporate Social Responsibility. So far we have discussed so many important points in CSR. And as you all know that CSR is a journey from profit-centric approach to people-centric approach. Today in this session, I would like to discuss a few important points related to technical side of CSR. Let us discuss first part of this session. It is all about objectives of CSR policy. As we all know that without any objectives, we are not doing anything. So why a corporate house is following corporate social responsibility? They used to prepare separate policy for CSR. Why they used to maintain a CSR committee, reporting, presentation, and all about. So the first and foremost objectives of CSR policy is to reward and return back to the nature and community for their support and sacrifice. As I discussed in previous session, that a corporate entity is result of the sacrifice of so many stakeholders working around it. In this situation, so many stakeholders are sacrificing something for the growth and development of corporate entity. So this is the chance, this is an opportunity to reward them, return back the damages or loss incurred to the society during the process of earning money. Second, to create and maintain public image. We can say that if the company is following corporate social responsibility, the company has its own brand image in the market, specifically in the mind of common people. And this image makes a lot of difference in the viewpoint of concerned stakeholder. So if company is following proper CSR, the company is able to maintain a place in the mind and heart of different stakeholders associated with the company. Obviously, there is a difference in the image of the company who is following CSR and not following CSR. If a company is following CSR related activities, definitely the people, the society, the community and all other stakeholders are attracted by these kind of companies because they are thinking in the benefit of the society. Third, to create and spread the awareness about companies' efforts towards the development of society. Earlier, it was a popular saying that if you are doing something good with your right hand, don't inform even to your left hand. So we need to keep everything a secret related to our good deed. But now the time has changed its face. Now we need to present everything in a reporting form, in a written form to the public, to the community, to the concerned stakeholder, just to make them aware that what the actions have taken by the corporate house in order to develop the society. So it is also necessary for the company to spread awareness among different stakeholders. It is also compulsory for the company to inform the different stakeholders that what exactly they are doing in the best of the society. So it is third objective of CSR. Then to maintain customers' loyalty for a longer period of time. The base of a customer is the base of success for any corporate house. Without loyalty of the customer, it is not possible for a company to sustain for longer period of time. In this situation, it is necessary for the company to be loyal towards the society. So it is nothing more than a reciprocate. Company is loyal to the society and customers are loyal to the company and it's a product. So if you want to sustain for a longer period of time, if you want to attract customers' attention towards the activities performed by the company in the development of the society, and if your customers are convinced with your efforts towards the society, they are always loyal to your product and services. Nowadays, whatever you are doing for the society in form of CSR, it is also part of the advertisement just to attract the attention of the customer. So this is also one of the objectives of a CSR policy. Then to apply human and justified approach towards stakeholders of the company. At the time of discussion of principle of CSR, I have discussed a principle called principle of accountability. A corporate house is accountable towards different stakeholders of the company. And it is necessary for the company to justify the different stakeholders with their human oriented approach. When you focus on CSR activities, profit comes at second stage. Human oriented approach coming to the first stage. So in order to apply human and justified approach towards stakeholders of the company, it is necessary for the company to frame a good CSR policy. So it is one of the important objectives of CSR policy, ensuring the implementation of CSR initiatives in a letter and spirit through appropriate procedure and reporting. As we all know that sometimes a policy is available on paper, but here we need to implement this policy in practice because we would like to engage in CSR related activities in a real form, not only on paper. So the entire procedure, the entire process and reporting should be clear cut in terms of procedural aspect as well as reporting and presentation is concerned in concerned documents. Here we need to ensure implementation, means whatever the policy we have decided for corporate social responsibility should not be on paper only. It should not be on paper. It should be in actual. And if you want to put anything on the ground of reality, it is necessary for you to have a strong CSR policy. Creating opportunities for employees to participate in socially responsible initiatives. As we all know that even companies are interested to work in society, and employees are more interested to work in such a corporate who is working in the benefit of the society. Ultimately, it is a benefit to the employees that the approach of the corporate is human oriented. So definitely The corporate entity is taking care of all the employees working in the organization. The employees are also getting some reputation in the society because of the good deeds of the company for the society. So this is what the benefit of CSR policy. That is why a company has to frame a good CSR policy. I hope everybody is clear with the objectives of CSR policy of a corporate entity. Keep watching the next sessions. Thank you. God bless you.